Welcome to Prime Certification Private Limited. Paint testing lab setup seems complex? Break down coating analysis into manageable steps for successful NABL accreditation. Setting up a paint and coating testing lab may seem complicated at first because it involves multiple tests, technical equipment, and strict quality standards. Many people assume it requires deep expertise and a huge investment right from the start. But in reality, the entire process can be understood step by step, starting from basic paint quality checks to advanced durability and safety testing. Whether your goal is to achieve NABL accreditation or to enter the growing testing industry, breaking the process into simple stages makes it much easier to plan, execute, and scale your lab successfully. Step 1. Physical properties: viscosity, density, fineness. This is the starting point where the raw quality of paint is evaluated before application. Tests like viscosity measure how thick or fluid the paint is, which affects brushability and flow. Density ensures batch consistency and correct formulation, while fineness checks how well the pigments are ground. This directly impacts smoothness and finish quality. If these properties are not balanced, the paint may show issues like uneven coating, poor leveling, or difficulty in application. So, this step ensures the paint is technically sound before moving forward. Step 2. Application properties: spreading rate, drying time. In this stage, the focus shifts to how the paint behaves in real-world application. The spreading rate tells how much surface area a specific quantity of paint can cover, which is crucial for cost estimation and efficiency. Drying time is tested in stages like surface dry and hard dry, ensuring the paint dries within practical timelines. Good application properties mean smoother workflow, less labor time, and better user satisfaction. If this step fails, even a high-quality paint can become inconvenient to use. Step 3. Film properties: adhesion, flexibility, impact resistance. Once the paint dries, it forms a solid protective film, and this step checks its strength and reliability. Adhesion testing ensures the paint sticks properly to the surface without peeling. Flexibility tests check whether the coating can expand and contract with temperature changes without cracking. Impact resistance measures the film's ability to withstand minor physical shocks. These properties are critical because they determine whether the paint will stay intact over time or start failing under stress. Step 4. Durability testing: weathering, corrosion, chemical resistance. Here, the paint is exposed to simulated environmental conditions to evaluate its long-term behavior. Weathering tests replicate sunlight, UV rays, rain, and temperature variations to see if the paint fades, chalks, or cracks. Corrosion resistance is especially important for metal surfaces, ensuring protection against rust. Chemical resistance checks whether the coating can withstand exposure to cleaning agents, oils, or industrial chemicals. This step basically answers one key question: how long will this paint last in real-life conditions? Step 5. Environmental compliance: VOC, heavy metals. In the final step, the focus is on health, safety, and environmental impact. VOC, volatile organic compounds testing, ensures the paint does not release harmful gases into the air, which can affect indoor air quality. Heavy metal testing checks for toxic substances like lead or mercury, which are strictly regulated. These tests are essential for meeting environmental laws and for gaining trust in the market as a safe and eco-friendly product. IS standards and BIS certification testing. All these tests are conducted as per Indian standards, IS codes, to maintain uniformity and reliability. For selling paint products in India, BIS certification is often required, and for laboratory credibility, NABL accreditation ensures the lab meets high-quality testing standards. Investment insight: setting up a paint and coating testing lab typically requires an investment of around 20 to 50 lakhs, depending on the equipment and testing scope. Major costs include lab instruments, setup, skilled staff, and NABL compliance. You can start with basic testing at a lower cost and gradually expand into advanced testing as your business grows, making it a scalable opportunity. With the rapid growth in construction and automotive industries, the demand for paint and coating testing is increasing significantly. This creates a great opportunity for new labs and businesses in this field. Prime certification has already supported the accreditation of 12+ paint testing laboratories, helping them meet NABL standards and grow successfully. If you're planning to enter this industry, now is the right time to take the first step. Thank you.